Oh, mathematics. Wow, you are so nice. I used to be very dull in maths. See, I used to get only 40 or 50 marks in my studies. When I was in 10th class, I scored 48 marks in my maths.
10th class. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, hi, you are audible now.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing good, Ria. How about you?
I'm also doing very good. I was eagerly waiting to you because already I have been lost. 2 times I missed your meeting.
Is it? But I don't remember.
Okay, I thought I don't know you will have a conversation with me or not because I already missed 2 times.
Okay, okay. Oh, now I can recall. Yes, yes. But I think that ID was of Miss Akanksha.
Yeah, I have 2 ID, so it might be I sent a message with the
Yes,
other
yes,
ID.
yes. That was from ID Akanksha. Yes, I remember now. So, yeah, your name is Ria or it's Akanksha?
Akansha.
Your name is Akanksha. See, I got you. Right. So, Akanksha, before we move on, can you please tell me something about yourself?
Okay, this is Akansha and I live in Unnao in UP state and I'm married. I have a kid. She is a 5 years old and my husband is a lawyer. I live with my family. My hobbies are dancing, styling yourself, traveling.
Wow, you love traveling.
For I'm very much fond of traveling, but I couldn't just because of responsibilities.
Yes, yes, true, true. So you are a traveler or you are a explorer?
Both kind of.
Okay, okay. So what all states you have covered in India?
I didn't go much state. I didn't went only the Rajasthan.
Okay.
Yeah, because of responsibility, I couldn't go anywhere because
So
my mother-in-law.
how do you find Rajasthan?
When I went Rajasthan, it's been 7 years.
Okay,
I
okay.
went there in 2014.
Oh,
I don't remember much
so
about
but
that.
all cities you covered there?
No, 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 not all cities. Only Jaipur.
Only Jaipur. Yeah, Jaipur is a beautiful city. So
Yeah.
you have been in Rajasthan only. Except Rajasthan, you have not visited any state yet, right?
But it's my wish I could travel everywhere.
Yeah, yeah. If your wish, you must be going to visit one day. Yeah, right, right. So, Akanksha, do you wanna talk on any topic, or we just should continue the general conversation? What's your wish?
Anything, anything what you want.
Okay, okay. So you love shopping.
Yes, I love shopping.
So you prefer online shopping or offline shopping?
Just because of pandemic, nowadays I'm preferring online shopping. Otherwise, mostly I would love to go market and I will do offline shopping.
Oh,
Because
great.
sometimes you got damaged clothes in online and it's a very boring to return again and again. That's why
So what kind of attire you prefer? It's traditional or it's Western wear? What you prefer?
I like every type of clothes actually.
Okay. Okay.
But in my own city, means in my family, it's not allowed to wear very short dresses.
Yes.
That is why I wear only the traditional dresses.
Oh,
We are also going western dresses like a jeans, but not a short dress.
yes, yes, yes. I also like traditional dresses.
Actually, sometimes it's looks good traditional, like a party or everywhere.
Yeah, yeah.
I think traditional is better than western sometimes.
Yeah, it actually depends on the occasion where we are wearing those dresses. Yeah, but in my family, it's not like that you should wear this cloth or you should wear this cloth. But personally, I like traditional dresses. I like salwar suit.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. So I do prefer to wear those traditional attire actually. Actually, I'm very fond of sarees as well, but I don't know how to drape sarees. So I don't prefer to wear sarees, but yeah, I am in love with the sarees.
Red sari, and I always prefer to wear sari, especially in marriage
Yes,
wedding parties.
Actually, in for marriages, I have lehengas and all because I cannot carry saris. So I do prefer wearing lehengas.
Before marriage, I was also not comfortable in sari, but after marriage, I many time I wear the sari, so now I'm comfortable with the.
Okay, actually, I tried very hard to learn draping sarees, but it all vain. I couldn't. I have so many sarees from my marriage. Like relatives gave us sarees and everything, but all are keeping in my wardrobe. Yes, yes. Many of the times I am thinking that okay, I should change all these sarees into the suits and salwars because nowadays it's in tradition that we can use sarees in different type of attire like lehengas and in kurtas. We can do that. Yes. So have you tried anything like this? Like you have converted your sarees into lehengas or in kurtas?
Yeah, I tried, but again I have to wrap in sari because
Yes, yes, because you love wearing sarees.
yeah.
See, I have learned it from my mother
For
actually.
any wedding or any party, I thought a lot. I will make this dress by the sari. This. I will wear like this, and whenever that party comes, I wear only the wrap the sari.
Dress the sarees. Yes, yes, yes. Actually, I have learned it from my mother. When I used to be a small kid, my mother used to make those frocks from her sarees. So I used to love those frocks too much. And nowadays, my mother is doing for all his grandsons, granddaughters as well. Those look very beautiful, actually. Yes, yes. These are the traditional things which people are doing nowadays as well. So how do
I
you
also do
define fashion?
Sorry,
How do you define fashion?
fashion.
Yes.
Okay, let me think about it.
Okay, do you love wearing makeup every time? Like I have so many friends who always like type of dressing is very good. So do you prefer?
I never wear the makeup. Means
Okay.
apart from parties, in parties also I do very little makeup, not too much like everything. You know you have a lot of layer like foundation and everything. Lot
Yes.
of cream people use, not
Yes.
that
Yes.
type of
But no, there are so many girls who wear makeup very confidently.
very confidently. Actually,
Yes.
if you are confident about everything, either it may be dress, it may be makeup, then you look so good. If you are not comfortable, so it
True, true. It's all about confidence.
yeah.
Yes, yes. See, nowadays we people are conversing on this platform to improve our English. But if we will be able to get that confidence one day, then our spoken English is going to be very good enough. So it's all about confidence.
And it's all about your excitement and how much you are what I say
Dedication?
about the learning also.
Yes, yes, true, true. It's all about the passion we are having for any particular thing.
Exactly. If you don't want to learn, so nobody make you learn anything.
True, true, true. These are the things inside from us. If we want to learn, we will be able to learn. If we are not able, yes, yes, true, true, true. Okay, your daughter is there, huh?
Yes.
What's
She
her
is
name?
just like
What's her name?
yes, she, yes, she.
Sorry.
Yes, she.
Yes.
YASHI.
Oh,
My ID.
nice name.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. So you are taking online classes nowadays?
For Yashis?
You are a you are a teacher,
No.
right?
Yes, yes. No. Nowadays, I'm not taking online classes. I went to the home. Means I'm taking tuition nowadays. I left the school. That's why.
Okay, okay. You have left the school. Okay, okay, okay. So in which class Yashi is reading?
I'm not an English teacher. I written there. I'm a teacher, not an English teacher.
Okay, you are a teacher. Okay. Actually, I have spoken to so many teachers. They all are English teachers. So it is in my mind that you must be English teacher. Okay, I'm so sorry. So what you used to teach?
Mathematics and science.
Oh, mathematics. Wow, you are so nice. I used to be very dull in maths. See, I used to get only 40 or 50 marks in my studies. When I was in 10th class, I scored 48 marks in my maths.
10th class. Okay. But initially, till then, I was also not very good in mathematics. But
Okay.
after the 10th, I raised my curiosity about and I raised my interest about the mathematics, and then it becomes my interesting subject, one of my favorite subjects.
Oh, great. So what's your highest qualification?
I did the graduation. After that, I completed the B.Ed in just 2020. I got my
Okay.
result. After that, I cleared the TET and CTET exam, and now I'm waiting for the upcoming vacancies.
Oh, that's great. So you are going to be a government teacher soon.
That's why I left the school because I don't get much time to my study if I
Yes.
teach in the school.
So B.Ed was of 3 years or it was of 2 years?
Yes, 2 years.
It was of 2 years. Because in many of
No,
the states, it's been in 3 years nowadays.
it's been a 4 years after if you are doing after 12th. So
Okay. Then it's for four
after the
years.
graduation, it's 2 years. Okay. And
Oh,
you know, before 2040, it's been only for 1 year.
hey, is it?
Till 2014, it's for the 1 year only.
Wow.
After that,
How lucky those people were who did their B.Ed in 2014.
yeah, actually they are very lucky because in last 2 years, for 2 years, government reported the vacancy back to back, and lot of people got job there. They are
Oh.
doing job. Even my friend also.
Oh. See, one of my friend did her MBA, and after MBA she did B.Ed, and now she is teaching in a government school somewhere in nearby Kanpur.
Kanpur.
Yes, Kanpur. She's from Kanpur.
Oh, it's my hometown.
Hey, is it? Oh, that's great. Actually, she's my childhood friend. Childhood in the sense that we met when I was in 12th standard. So that time I met her. So after doing her MBA, she did B.Ed. See, actually,
Lot of people do job in other sector, still they left because in teaching sector you don't have much burden and there is a definite time also, and you can do other works with the teaching.
see, for ladies, I think that teaching job is very much good. They can pursue their career and they can see their child, their family as well. So there is a note that 9 to 6 type of job if we talk about the corporate sector. See, nowadays I am also doing job. It's my 9 to 6 job. So it's very hectic for me to look after my child and for me as well. Actually, I don't
Are
have
you
time
married?
for my. Yes, I am. I do have a kid as well.
Okay,
Yes.
nice. You are from Haryana, right?
Yes. My kid is also 5 years. He's a boy.
Oh,
Yes.
nice. So when you got married?
I got
When did you
married in
got?
2013.
Okay, and I got in 2014.
Okay. Yes. So it becomes very difficult for the ladies to look after the home chores and the job as well. If we are working in a corporate sector, it's very
Definitely. So
difficult.
are you also living with your family, means with your in-laws?
Yes, I am.
Okay,
That's
that's
why I
great.
can do my job, because it's very difficult to leave behind child and doing the job.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Sometimes it's good actually to live with the family, and sometimes people say it's not good because of they cannot be take their freedom like as much freedom that they
It
could
happens.
be as
It
in.
happens. Many of the times they actually feel irritating by the child, because no one can
Lot of
look after a child other than his or her mother. But still,
initially, especially if when they are they got born, means within
yes.
3 months you can't get a proper sleep even.
True, because age also matters. They are not at that age, they are in their 60s. So it becomes difficult for them to handle a 5-year-old child. but still they are doing a lot, and I'm very thankful to them, because if they are, I will
That's
not
why
be
we
with
can
them,
do
then it will
more.
be very difficult for me to do my job and to pursue my career. But yeah, when it comes to the grandparents, they take care of their grandson very well. I have seen that. You must
Yeah,
have
they
heard that
really love
that
them.
kahavat, that some in Hindi, that मूलधन से
Zyada
प्यारा
pyar
ब्याज
pyara
होता
hota
है.
hai.
Yes, so it's very true. They love them a lot. Yes, yes. If I scold my child by any means, then they scold me that why you are scolding him. It's not
Actually, they
his
feel very
fault.
bad. Yeah.
Yes, yes. They do love them a lot. Yes, yes, yes. So living in a joint family is a fun as well. To be very frank, we can pursue
Definitely. You
our
can celebrate every celebration. You can do more enjoy.
true,
It's
true.
become more interesting, enjoyable.
Yes, yes, true. Because every festival is giving that joy if we are in a family. If we are just a nuclear family, we cannot enjoy any festival.
And I think everything. It's maybe festival. It's maybe birthday. It's maybe any small party
It's any
even. We
kind of
cannot
gathering. It's any
enjoy
kind
without
of small
family.
gathering. Right,
Hmm.
right, right. So you are living in a joint family or you are in a nuclear family?
Right.
You are in also joint
I
family.
think
So what's your experience?
it's my experience also the same as you, because if you want to do something, so if you are living with the family, so there are some members others who can take care of your kid. But if you are in nuclear family, so nobody will be there to take care of us.
No.
Biggest problem is that only. Otherwise, definitely there will be the work a lot, rather than if you are being a nuclear family, you have to take care of your in-laws also.
True.
And my husband is a single son. That is
Okay.
why I can't go anywhere. So
Yes,
it is
yes, true, true, true.
that I couldn't go anywhere, even though I have to thought a lot of time to go in my mom's home.
It happens. True. See, everything has some pros and cons, but living in joint family is giving more benefits.
You can say it is a blessing in disguise.
True. True, true, true. And living in joint family, child get to learn so many things from their grandparents and the uncles and aunties. It's very true.
Yeah,
They
definitely.
yes, they learn those values which I think we at this generation are not able to uh, pass on them. Yes, yes. So all those values comes from their grandparents as well.
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
Some type of sanskar, we can say, they can get only from them.
Yes, yes, right, right. They understand the value of the family actually. If we live in the nuclear family, they will also be thinking the same thing, that okay, I have brought up in a nuclear family, then in their coming days they will also prefer to live in the nuclear family. But if they will live in the joint family, their values will automatically goes up, that okay, in his future they will also going to be live in the joint family.
Like us, yeah.
Yes, yes, it's true. So,
It will
Akanksha,
be
anything
quite
else you wanna ask, or we should call it for the day? Because our meeting is
okay.
going to off. Actually, I set only 15 minutes time, so it can end
No
up
problem.
any time.
Okay, okay. It was nice to talk to you. Literally I was eagerly waiting to talk to
Oh,
you,
thank you so much.
but
So,
unfortunately
see,
I missed a lot.
I also remembered you. That's why I remembered your name, Akanksha, because I had gone through your mails before as well. That okay, and you dropped a comment as well that I missed your call again.
You know what? At the 5 o'clock, I was means there was my class. I didn't take my class because of
Oh, you should have messaged me. There is, I think you don't have time on Sundays.
yeah, because of everybody at home on the Sunday. That's why.
Yes, yes. So
I want
everyone
to
has a busy
disturb.
schedule on Sundays nowadays, because everything
Hmm.
has open now. There is no lockdown, so everyone is at home. Yes.
Okay, okay, Sarita ma'am, I want to ask you one thing. How you record the video? Are you taking this meeting with the laptop or
Yes,
phone?
yes, yes. I am doing it with the laptop.
So there is a directly option to record it, right?
Yes. If you are doing it through laptop, then there is a direct option of recording. But if you are doing it via phone, that Zoom does not provide that facility. So if you want to record your videos via phone, then you should go for Skype.
Skype.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
Thank you.
So it's very nice talking to you, Akanksha. Thank you so much for giving your precious time to me. Take care, Akanksha. Bye-bye.
Bye.